Alright guys, it's about that time. Let's go ahead and do another lot walk. It's Monday again.
This will be my sacrifice. This will be my sacrifice.
Welcome back guys, Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and we've got a lot of new cars going on. I think we actually put on 12 today. And of course in this video we're going to walk around the lot and I'm going to tell you the price, the model, and the year. And you could go to maplemotors.com, see all current inventory. We update that pretty much daily, and every Monday we put new cars on. Here on YouTube, you can go to the playlist and see the videos pointing out all the flaws of each and every car that comes through. These are antiques, and that's basically all we sell. Jump on over to maplemotors.com for finance and shipping, detailed pictures. And don't forget about the test drive videos going over the cars. Let's get started here. Up in the front, I got a 1968 Chevy Caprice priced at $25,900. And of course, right next to that is a 1970 Pontiac Gto. This one's priced at $30,900. Moving along, we got a 65 Oldsmobile Cutlass sitting here in green, priced at $19,900. How about a 1974 Plymouth Duster? We have this priced at $21,900. A 1966 Chevy Impala. This has got a big block 4-speed setup, priced at $32,900. Right next to that, 1966 Pontiac Tempest, priced at $27,900. Coming across the back side of the front row here. Down the right side of the car lot, a lot of people have been asking for these. A 1985 Monte Carlo SS, and this one's priced at $13,900. Great price range, beautiful paint job. Once again, we're gonna have to clean the cars. It's that time of year where the dust just falls right out of the air within 24 hours. Right next to the Monte Carlo, we have a 1967 Ford Mustang, priced at $15,900. What about a 1965 Plymouth Valiant, priced at $13,900? A 1970 Chevelle. This is the 4-door setup with an LS motor, priced at $19,900. Next to that, we got a 1956 Bel Air set up as a gasser with a 409 4-speed. We have it priced at $24,900. What about a 1974 Plymouth Scamp in a $12,900 price range? Right next to it in patina, 1965, a Chevrolet C10 pickup truck. Priced at $15,900.
Sound like some movie stuff up there.
Okay. Got another nice truck here. Just came in. 1966 C10, priced at $18,900. And then right next to that is a 1989 GMC Suburban, also priced at $18,900. Okay, guys, I've got a lot more cars to go over here. We're gonna go step into Pops' Hot Wheels room, and I'll be right back. So it definitely changed in here. I just got back from Florida, and he has been in here working. You could tell there's a lot of new cars, a lot of new products for sale. You're gonna want to check it out. Go to Jim Fights Hot Wheels channel. I'm gonna try to get my sister to go ahead and make another room video where she goes around and shows everything in here. She's been doing pretty good. We got cases with cars 100 and over. You got some that are in the 25 range, and then you can go on over here. You can get the $3 cars, or you can go out in the hallway and get the dollar cars. But be sure to check it out when you come to Maple Motors. This is on premises, so thanks, guys. Let's get back out there. Okay, coming back up to the front of the lot. And right here you got a 1964 Pontiac Catalina, priced at $24,900. She's a little bit dusty there. Like I said, we're gonna get the hose out and wash some of these today. But I wanted to get this walk around video showing all the new stuff before. We gotta head to the back here. Got a few other cars, a 68 Mustang. This one's a convertible priced at $23,900. It's got that test drive video out. Go check it out. Was this a 91 model Firebird? We got it priced at $10,900 with the T-tops. Then as you come up over here, a 99 Pontiac Trans Am with the T-tops. Again, there's test drive videos on all these rides. Okay, I come up front to do that whole side road, and they had some stuff going out that's already sold, blocking my view there, so we'll have to work around that. And of course, we're gonna do right here in front of the office as well as we can. Just grabbing these vehicles. There's a lot going on up here today. Of course, we've been closed for over a week, so I guess we deserve it. Well, this one's new. It's a 1966 Chevrolet C10, and we got it priced at $29,900. This one's got the step side on it. Looks like a hard top cover on the bed, which is awesome. That looks really nice. I've got a lot to test drive too. I actually have 0 videos done today, so you may see 2 or 3 come out today. Just be patient, I'll get them to you. What about this Bel Air sitting here? We got it priced at $34,900. This one also new, it just came in. It's got the 2-tone interior. It's like disc brakes. And of course, I still got to go over all these. I haven't decoded motors. I've been out of town, but everybody else, they actually went out of town too. That's why we closed the lot. That, and if I'm not here to make the videos, it's kind of hard to sell the cars. All right. What about this 53 Bel Air sitting here? This one's fully customized. The test drive video is out on it. We had it last week, right before we closed the lot, and we have it priced at $29,900. Got another new one. This is the first time I actually seen this truck. A 77 4x4 for $13,900. Pretty nice little Chevrolet. Haven't decoded this motor yet. Looks like it's got AC, power steering, power brakes. Should be a decent little ride. We'll be taking it down the road this week. Guys, just be patient. I'll have all these videos out to you as fast as I possibly can. Right here, 72 Nova. It's got the big block in it, and it's priced at $31,900. I'm gonna try to squeeze through here. It's gonna be a little tight. Maybe trying to get whole car shots, not be stuck. There we go. About a 1972 Nova. This one was running on alcohol. Now it's a gas car, but it's fast. I'm talking quick. That video is worth checking out. Priced at $25,900. Right here next to that, you got a 1967 Firebird. You know it's a 67 because it comes with the vent window. And of course the 69s had a D-shaped fender well, and the 68 had this fender well as well. So we got this one priced at $29,900, and it is also a little rocket car, pretty fast. Got the ghost flames, purple. I do believe this one is new to the lot. It's got the 4-speed transmission, $27,900. Looks pretty good. I like the aftermarket wheels on this one. Got the black stripes down the hood. So I'll have to make a video on this. I know they change a lot of front ends out on these models, so I'm not going to guess the year here in the video. I actually don't know. Look what they've done to the bumpers. That actually looks pretty good. I like the rear brake light there. But yeah, I'll have this one out hopefully today. You know I like Camaros, so I'm probably going to pick a few Camaros today and move along with those test drive videos. This one, 68 model. See, it's got the round fender well. It does not have the vent window. This one's got the LS motor, and it's also got billet specialties, disc brakes, and it's priced $39,900. That's gonna be a good piece there. All right, 1965 Mustang Fastback. This one's a 3-speed, $32,900. All right. And coming right up here to the front, you got a 1965 Mustang convertible priced at $36,900. So, we made it around the lot. Like I said, there was 12 cars added today. A few things in the middle that have already sold. They're on their way out. There's a ton of people here, so I'm trying to avoid getting everybody on video. I don't know who wants to be on or who doesn't, but so much to do, it doesn't matter. I'm just gonna keep rolling with it. We did forget one, 99 Pontiac Trans Am. This has been our gate blocker. Been using it every night. It's $14,900 with the T-tops. Guys, if you don't mind, hit subscribe, share this video. That helps me out quite a bit. This is all I do every single day is test drive these videos and review these cars for you so you know what you're getting before you get here. I've been working up here at Maple Motors since, oh man, it was a long time now. I'd say 20 years. It's my only job I've ever had. First job, I detailed cars for 16 years. I've been videoing for the rest. Any of the music you hear on the channel, that's me and my band. We get together every so often and sit down in our studio and record. That's why I put them on here. I figured, hey, might as well just put my own music on here instead of paying for copyright. Plus, if you want to hear more of that, you can go to Southgate Production here on YouTube and see where I'm jamming on the guitar. There's a lot of videos of our band on here as well, just under Nick Southgate. And of course, any music platform, you can type in that name and pull it up in your car and jam out. Go to maplemotors.com for 100 detailed pictures, financing on any of these rides, shipping anywhere in the country. I can get it to the border. You have to figure out the rest. That's one of the most common questions. Oh, I don't ship out of country, but we have plenty of cars that have went in the past. You can also join us on Snapchat, TikTok, Instagram, and of course Facebook. And people come from all over the country pretty much daily. So if you walk in here, you can actually go to the back of the lot and see some stuff that we're working on for the following week. We at least almost every week have 30 to 40 cars not on premises, so we're always rotating inventory. Getting a little close here because I got these sold cars in my way. You may have seen this one from previous weeks. And of course, anything that I don't mention in the video may not be ready or may already be sold, or very well could be a customer's car. So if I didn't mention it, it's not available. With that being said, check out the playlist that we have here on this channel. Cars currently available is updated week by week. I'm still trying to avoid people out here. That way I don't get them all in the camera.
Look at the orange one, GMC.
And of course, I've been posting a lot to the different social medias here lately, so you can catch us on just about anything. If you want merchandise, a lot of people have been coming and asking me about shirts and stuff. Go online at maplemotors.com, click merchandise. We've got plenty of designs, and we try to keep the prices down. We don't really make anything on those. It's all about, you know, pretty much free advertising. I mean, seriously, I'm pretty sure we're only making like $1 a shirt maybe on that website. Probably be smarter, but it'd be a lot of work to ship them all out. We do sell quite a bit on there. I do got another design coming out. There's a girl, she's supposed to be getting done with it. Of course, she sent it back to me 2 or 3 times, and I want it to be more realistic when it comes to the design. She's made some stuff for us in the past, and I've been happy with it. All right, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and start these test drives. I have got a lot of them to do. Like, no kidding. Like, I know there's 2 still from last week that I haven't test drove. So we're looking at 14 test drives. And the next, hopefully 2 or 3 days, I can get them all done. They're usually about 20 to 30 minute videos. And you can see all those in the playlist below. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you later.
This will be my sacrifice. This will be